Hey Bestie, welcome back to Natural Bestie Health, your go-to for simple, natural ways to feel amazing and reach your health goals. Tonight, we're talking about something exciting. Drink this before bed to burn belly fat while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right. A soothing bedtime drink that can support your metabolism, help with fat loss, and give you better rest, all while you're catching those Z's. We all know belly fat can be stubborn. It's not just about looks. Excess visceral fat around your midsection is linked to higher risks for things like heart issues and insulin resistance. But the good news? What you do before bed matters a lot. During sleep, your body repairs itself, balances hormones, and yes, burns calories. Poor sleep spikes cortisol, the stress hormone that tells your body to store fat, especially around the belly. Good sleep does the opposite. It helps regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, boosts metabolism, and supports fat oxidation. Science shows that quality sleep alone can aid weight loss. Studies from places like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition link better sleep to reduced body fat, and certain drinks can enhance that process by improving digestion, reducing inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, and promoting relaxation without adding tons of calories. So, what's this magical drink? It's a simple, warm bedtime elixir made with chamomile tea as the base, plus lemon, a touch of cinnamon, ginger, and optional apple cider vinegar. These ingredients are backed by research for their metabolism, supporting and soothing properties. Let's break it down. First, chamomile tea. This isn't just for calming your mind. Studies show chamomile can improve glucose control and has compounds that may support weight management. It's caffeine-free, helps you relax into deeper sleep, and better sleep means better fat burning overnight. Next, lemon. Fresh lemon juice adds vitamin C, which supports detoxification and metabolism. It helps hydrate you gently and can curb late-night cravings by keeping your stomach feeling settled. Cinnamon is a star here. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Research indicates cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity and has thermogenic effects, meaning it slightly raises your body temperature to burn more calories. Ginger brings gentle heat too. It's known for aiding digestion, reducing bloating, and boosting thermogenesis. Ginger can help your body process food better overnight, so you wake up less puffy. Finally, a splash of apple cider vinegar, just a teaspoon. The acetic acid in ACV has been studied for its potential to improve insulin response and reduce fat accumulation, especially around the belly. Combined, this drink is low-calorie soothing and sets your body up for optimal overnight recovery. No, it's not a miracle that melts fat instantly. Nothing is. Sustainable weight loss comes from consistent healthy habits, balanced eating, movement, and sleep. But this drink complements that beautifully. Here's how to make it super easy. You'll need 1 chamomile tea bag or loose chamomile, 1 cup hot water, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon or a cinnamon stick, 1 inch fresh ginger, sliced or 2 teaspoon ground, optional, 1 teaspoon raw apple cider vinegar, a touch of honey if you need sweetness, but keep it minimal for best results. Steep the chamomile and ginger in hot water for 10 minutes. Add lemon juice, cinnamon, and ACV if using. Stir well and sip slowly 30–45 minutes before bed. This gives time for bathroom trips so it doesn't disrupt your sleep. Why 30–45 minutes before? Your body winds down, digestion slows, and these ingredients work gently without overloading your system. Now, let's talk real results. Many people report waking up feeling lighter, less bloated, and more energized after making this a habit. Paired with a calorie deficit and exercise, it can support noticeable belly fat reduction over weeks. One study on similar ingredients showed improved metabolic markers. Another on better sleep linked it to easier weight management. Tips for success. Drink it consistently. Every night for at least 2–4 weeks. Avoid heavy meals or snacks right before bed. Combine with daytime habits, walk after dinner, stay hydrated. If you have acid reflux, skip the ACV or lemon. Remember, Bestie, this is supportive, not a replacement for healthy eating. Focus on whole foods, protein, veggies, and movement. There you have it, your new bedtime ritual for better sleep and natural belly fat support. Try it tonight and let me know in the comments how you feel in the morning. Which ingredient are you most excited about? If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural tips. Sweet dreams. Your healthier tomorrow starts tonight. See you soon.